Welcome to King Coho Beach. I'm Andrina Koch-Schulte with Royal LePage in the Comox Valley. And wow, I love this neighborhood. I'm going to show you a beautiful mobile home. And look at this beach. Fantastic. This is a great property, immaculate condition, and about 900 square feet with 2 bedrooms. And you've got a storage area and a covered carport. Perfect. Dell's Mobile Home Park, people really like living here. It is a place where, sorry, you can't rent, sorry, you can't bring little Fido either. I've lived in this neighborhood quite a few years ago, and it was so friendly to come down, relax, enjoy the beach, quiet, peaceful, see the cruise ships drive by, and the BC ferries, and talk to people, talk to the neighbors. Very welcoming. The other great thing about this neighborhood is we're close to shopping, close to Costco, close to North Island College, close to the hospital, and all kinds of great things in Comox or in Courtenay. A little bit of nature, but the town and the city close by. If you've got any further questions or you want to book your own viewing, call my office, talk to your own realtor, because remember, it's better in person.